Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Ant Motor 4577. What I'll be showing you guys that I'm gonna upgrade my 12-volt motor. What I have here is a back cover of the motor. Um, this is the outside of it, the motor and the magnet. Now I lost the back cover of the motor. I mean, not the motor. The door cover. I lost it, and I took out this from the other motor and see if it fits, but it fits. And I have a rotor, and I took out the copper on it and I rewind it, and it's pretty looking good now. I know you guys can't see because it's starting to get um cloudy and starting to rain, but let's rectify it. So I rewind it, and I hope it works though. And I have a 9-volt battery, a computer battery. And what I have here is my soldering iron. I told you guys I will have a soldering iron. This is my soldering iron, and it's brand new, 50 watts, um, 110 to 120 volts, 50 watts. And that's before I do, I'm gonna see how this works. I have some flux paste. Let's open it. This is flux. Um, Now here's the problem. Now I don't know if this is gonna work to solder, but I'm gonna try. This is plumping solder. This is for copper, blah blah blah. Considers refrigerating systems, repairer. But I don't know if it's gonna work because the teacher got me the wrong thing, and I'm gonna try. Um, yeah. So, but I'm not gonna. I'm gonna try though. But okay, so yeah, so whatever. Let's look at the instruction first. This is says how to solder. Before soldering, clean the parts to be soldered. Soldering iron tip should also be cleaned and coated with solder. Um, it's telling me that I have to clean the parts first. Two, I'm gonna heat the parts where soldering is required. I'm gonna put solder paste between a rectangle. Avoid solder to the heated parts only. The melted solder should flow evenly when enough heat is applied to the solder. Don't apply too much solder unnecessarily. And let's look at the cautions. When the soldering is plugged for the first time, smoke will come out of it. This is normal. The smoke will stop shortly and usually does not appear again. Use soldering stand and other or aids to avoid burns. After soldering, let the iron cool down naturally. Heating element life will be shortened if soldering iron chip is pulled out. Well, do not fire with soldered iron chip. I don't know what that means, but yeah. So um, I don't know, but I don't know what's gonna happen. But I will try. Um, Sorry guys, and this is have a glue stick here. Um, Now what I'm scared is that I mean I don't know what's gonna happen though, but I do want to solder this and upgrade this. And I hold on, let me see something. Let me connect this here. Uh, yes. Hold on. Let's see if it works. see. Nope. Nothing. Hold on, guys. Thanks for watching. Another man. I'll come back to you guys. I'm gonna eat right now.